Hello everyone, this is a quick little video on how you can make a logo in Photoshop. So first thing you want to do is open Photoshop. Not surprising. Once you have Photoshop open, there we go. You're gonna want to open a template. Create a new file, and you want this to be with these specs. So you want it to be set to pixels for starters, and the width to be 800 by 800, with the resolution being 72, and you want it to be in pixel/inches. You want the color mode to be RGB color, and yeah, just copy this. And be sure to change, actually it's up to you, it's whatever you prefer your background to be. I want mine to be black, so I'll be doing it in black, and click create. Once you do that, it's gonna open a blank template right here. So first thing you want to do is click the text icon, and then you want to type in the text depending on what you want your logo to be. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna do B, and you want to select it and change the, actually not even, you can change, yeah, it'll be easier if you change the size to like 50. And then once you're done that, you want to go here and select the select tool, and you just want to do that and get it to the size you want it to be. So for me, I feel like that's pretty good. Once you're done, once you do that, you want to click hold down Control A, and you want to hold Control A, and now you're gonna click on this. This is gonna align it in the middle for us perfectly. And once you're done, you want to hit Control D. This is gonna deselect the layer, and that's gonna be the starting of it. Then you want to go over here, and you want to click on the ellipse tool, and just make a circle. And yeah, and then you want to select it, and same thing, Control A, and centralize it, and click Control D again to deselect it. And you want to put the text over the layer. The text is not showing here because it's white on white, and there we go. Yes, once you're done that, you'll have this, and you can change this however you want. For me personally, I'm just gonna throw a rectangle underneath, and yeah, should be good. So now you're gonna look for the rectangle tool, and it's nowhere to be found. Nice. Might have to make this video again if I can't find it. I think it's here. Yeah, sorry, my bad. You right click to get it. Sorry, once again, apologize. And yeah, you can just make a box. This is what I did for mine. Yeah. Okay, just click hit okay. Oh my god. Yeah. Here you want to go to, you can add strokes and stuff, and yeah, so this will be it. And you can change the color here. Sorry, that took me a while. Yeah, and so you have a basic one right there. Another thing you could do is change the fill to something, and change the make a stroke over this, and you'll just have a stroke that's that colored. Yeah, just play with that, and good luck. If you guys like the video, I tried to make it really simple. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm at 14 subscribers, so yeah, thank you. Bye.